Customer states the car smells like mildew and the windshield is foggy every morning when he comes out to the car. And I can guarantee you it is definitely musty smelling in here. Alright, let's dig into this one. Alright, first order of business, what we got up here. Open up the sunroof, check the sunroof drains. Sprayed water on both sides of the sunroof. It runs out, comes to the floor here on both sides. So here's the driver's side. You can see that one's not clogged. Come over here. Passenger side, you can see that one's not clogged. Number two, we came under here. Saw all the dirt in here. We're going to clean this out, but this is not the problem. We're also going to check the cabin filter, see how the cabin filter looks. Alright, the cabin filter's right behind this glove box. We pulled it out. It looks new. Looks like someone was actually in there doing it. You can see the little strut for the glove box out too, so someone was definitely in there. We're not even going to go any further there because the floor is all dry and it doesn't smell bad. Back seat. So, back here, get my flashlight. You can see floors have a little bit of white on them. That's probably a little bit of mold if I had to guess. Could also be from the kids back here. It's not 100% sure what that could be from, but it might have something to do with our problem. So we're going to move on. All right, final spot. So, opened the trunk. Got a huge whiff of this smell. Decided we're going to pull this out, pull this cover out. See in here. This is all wet. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it's got a little bit of like condensation on it, all this plastic. So our next step is going to be we're going to pull this whole cover off of the spare tire and see what it looks like under this cover where the spare tire is. And my guess, without even looking, is that this spare tire is going to have water all filled up in that tire well. Well, bingo. Look at that. Filled with water. Take a bath in there. Okay, it's off. Got our water all over the place here. You can see there's more on this side, so come up under here. You can see the whole wall on the inside of the car is wet. So we're going to go with it's coming from that side. The other side's pretty dry. Not saying that it couldn't be coming from both sides, but the passenger side is the obvious side right now. Show you what we did though. Opened up the sunroof, filled the sunroof with water, came back here, and there's water dripping out all in here. Water dripping out here, so this sunroof drain is clogged. We're gonna have to get something up in there and blow this sunroof drain out or figure where it gets disconnected at. But that's definitely our problem right there. Alright, so you can see we blew out both sides. So went underneath on that side, blew it out. Pulled it out on this side, blew it out. Got plenty of water flow now. And then you just come back here, you take your spare tire out, and there's these little plugs. You can take a plug out, let the water run out, dry it all up. It absolutely stinks. So then we're going to wait till tomorrow, let it air out, and put it